This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Karri Porter. Move right into this well-kept 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It features beautiful woodwork throughout and a first-floor laundry room. Enjoy sitting out on the covered front porch or the covered back deck. Brand new swimming pool and privacy fence installed around the flat yard. Off-street parking in the huge 2-car detached garage that you pull into from the alley. For more information, review the details below.